friends, welcome to my channel We Learn by Sharun, and from today's session we are going to switch from the syllabus of electrical machines to something very different. In this series, from today's session, I am going to tell you about GATE 2021, how to appear for it, why to appear for it, and how to prepare for the same. GATE site is being activated, all the informations, all the important dates are there on the website of GATE. This time GATE 2021 will be organized by IIT Bombay, and you can refer the site for the information. There are many queries about the GATE exam. What I have experienced in my last few years in the college is every student of electrical engineering appears for GATE exam. Every student. But I also noticed that hardly 5% of students are serious about it. Only 5% of the students seriously prepare for the GATE and then they appear. But 95% of the students, they just appear because they heard or somebody told them that GATE is important exam and you need to appear for it. But why we need to appear for it? Until and unless we will get answer of this question, we won't be serious about it. GATE examination is very important examination for any student who belong to core branch. May it be electrical or mechanical. Actually, there should be two questions coming to your mind. Why and how? Why I should go for GATE, and second, if I have decided I want to go for GATE, how I can prepare for the same. So answers of both the questions you will find here. So in today's video, I am going to discuss why to prepare for GATE, and in upcoming video we'll discuss how to prepare for it once you made up your mind. Now, that's very general thinking of many of the students that GATE exam is prepared only for those students who want to go for MTech, and generally after 4 years of engineering, students may think that we don't want to go for MTech, postgraduate, higher studies, PhD, research, we just want to go for job, or just forget about it that GATE is only for masters, MTech, research, teaching, PhD. No. Let's see the options of GATE. So GATE 2021 important dates are already arrived. This time GATE 2021 will be organized by IIT Bombay. You can visit the website. They have activated GATE 2021 website. All the important dates are there. All the syllabus of all branches are there. There are few changes in the syllabus as well as some rules. Till previous year, GATE was supposed to be appeared by only final year students. But now even third year students can go for it. But I'm not saying that if you are in third year you should appear GATE, because obviously you are not prepared. Okay, so only final year students will go for GATE this year. But from next year, those students who are in second year can be mentally prepared that if they want to appear for GATE, they can appear in third year. Right. So now, why you need to go for GATE? So when you appear for GATE, what are the doors that gets open for you? So if you want to go for MTech, masters in very good institute like IITs and NITs and other colleges also, other universities also, which look forward for the GATE score and then give admission. So there are MTech, MS. Now MS, generally you must be thinking that MS is only when you do it out of India, like when you go out of the country and then you do this Masters of Science. No, it is possible here also, being here also. In the same institute which gives you MTech, admission in MTech, they gives admission in MS also. But MS is more research basis. Obviously, if you don't score good in GATE to get admission in MTech, then other option is MS, where you can get admission with the less score. Okay. So now why you're supposed to do MTech? Why people do MTech? So one thinking is that you do MTech if you want to go for teaching. Right, many people have passion in teaching, and nowadays, yes, there are many people who have passion in teaching. So they can go for MTech, and if there are a few people who are into research, if they want to go for research, they can go for MTech, because then masters, then only they can go for doctorate and all. So MTech is for them also. So next is PhD research. Now if you are already MTech and if you are already postgraduate, they want to do their PhD or research, then they need to appear for GATE. If they appear, then they can easily get admission in PhD for the doctorate thing and research fellowship, whatever they want to do. Okay. Then next is study abroad. Yes, this is something you must not have thought of. You can directly study abroad by your GATE score. You can go for Germany or Singapore. Like you can go for National University of Singapore easily. There are universities like NUS, NTU which give you admission direct from the GATE score. So you can go to Germany or Singapore if you want to study abroad after your engineering. Okay. Then MBA. Now CAT करके MBA सुना था, but GATE करके MBA नहीं सुना, right? So if you are engineering graduate, then only this option is available for you. If you are engineering graduate, then you can go for MBA directly from NITI Mumbai. Okay. Then the other option. Now this is actually the option we were looking for. PSUs, that is public sector undertakings. Now you must have heard about PSUs, many people must have told you about it, but then exactly why we need to go for GATE, here you will get your answer. Now up till now, whatever options I have discussed here, that is all about the post-graduation or research work or study after your engineering. But if you want to go directly for job after engineering and that too in public sector undertakings, then you have this option. Score good in your GATE exam and directly get job in PSUs. Like there are BPCL, there are many PSUs like ONGC, BSNL, BPCL, NTPC, the BARC. There are many options available to you if you clear your GATE exam with good score. That electrical people or mechanical people think that they have only options for IT companies and unwillingly they need to appear for such campuses. No need to do so. If you want to go for core company, see hardly core company comes to many colleges, especially private colleges. If you talk about IITs, NITs, some core companies may come in IITs or NITs, but in many other colleges, core companies doesn't come. Good core companies doesn't come. So if your aim is to go for core company, appear for GATE exam, score well, and go for PSUs. You can get your any dream company. BHEL, for example, for electrical, BHEL is the dream company. So BHEL is there, ONGC is there, BARC is there, NTPC is there. There are so many companies waiting for you if you have good GATE score. So I hope you got your answer of your question why you need to appear for GATE. And last but not the least, that even if you don't get very good score to be selected in PSU, so there are many core companies which are other than PSUs, private companies are there who will be ready to employ you if you have good GATE score. What you need to do is you just need to approach the company with your GATE score and your resume, right? So if you do so, there are very high chances you get selected in private core companies as well. And okay, this was the last option, but still I have one more option available to you. Being electrical engineer, you have other competitive exams also to appear for, who have their own selection process. If you want to go for ISRO, IES and other such central companies where they take their own competitive exams, so in that case the syllabus for the preparation will be same. So nothing is getting wasted. You're appearing for GATE, you're also getting the experience, and also you're preparing for other competitive exams which are there for core branches. These are the reasons why you should appear for GATE seriously. Just don't do it like you're going and you're appearing and that's it. No. Today on in the month of August, you must be thinking that you don't have much time left to prepare. So don't worry about it, because my next video will be especially for final year electrical engineering students, where I will be telling you how to prepare for your GATE examination if you are going to appear for this GATE 2021. If you are in final year right now and you are going to appear for GATE 2021, you will be having the complete plan of how to prepare for GATE in next 5 months. And I'm going to guide you for this journey of preparation of for GATE right from today to the till the examination. At this step, if you will think that will I be able to do it, or you will question yourself, then things will be difficult. So very first thing is be positive. If you feel you can do it, you will definitely do it. Okay, so all the best and happy learning.